Welcome everybody to Carol's Art Room. Today I'm going to do a couple of tiles, but I'm going to do a swipe. And another way to use up some of your little bits of paint, which I'm trying to use up today. I'm just going to drizzle all the colors on here, and then I'm going to swipe through it. See if I can do a couple of different style coasters. So the ones that I have left from the last video, I think I've got 2, 4, 6 left. I got another one, 7. All right, so this one is golden yellow medium and oxide yellow by Golden. These are all my glue mixtures, so all I'm going to do is just drizzle. I'm going to do 2, so I'm going to save some for the next one. This is, I don't know which one this one is. Pibio orange. It's a type of, oh, I don't know, this is like a dark yellow, so I lost the lid. Oh, here's the lid. Cad Yellow by Artist Loft. And this one is Artist Loft Violet. Just drizzle any old way you like. You could also do something like this. Maybe I'll do one too, is a dip. You just drizzle all the paint on, get 2 tiles, one with this on it, the colors, and the other one just with the white paint, and then put them together and pull them apart. See what happens. I might try that one. So this is Pibio Orange. Whoopsie, whoopsie, whoops, it's too much. And this one is TLP Pinwheel and Lavender Frost by DecoArt. Did I do this pink? Some Persian pink. Persian Rose by Amsterdam. There's quite a lot of paint on here. I'm going to swipe with black. I'm going to use my little cards that I've cut up. Just put some on my card. Like that. And I'm going to swipe any way I like. Wipe it off. You know what? I want to do a marble. I think I'm going to do a marble. Let's see if, I hope it's not too thick. Oh, let's give it a whirl. Oh, there's a lot of paint on here. Oh, shoot. Maybe there's too much paint. I don't know. Let's try this again. Let's try it from here. Well, that's kind of cool. Now, you know what? I'm going to spin it because there's too much paint left on here. And what do you think? There, I like it. I'm going to leave this one. I'm going to do another one. I'll show you. I might not put as much paint on the next one. I'll try not to anyway. Right. Just want to make sure I have enough. All right, that should be good. I'm going to use the same colors again, probably in a different order. This is the TLP. pretty pretty. All right. Maybe I'll spin it a bit first. That way I get some of the paint off. Okay, now where's my marble going? Oops. There, see how the marble goes smoother when the paint is a bit thinner on here? Let's see how that spins out. Wow. Go this way. Just don't want this paint spinning onto my other painting. Okay, I think I'm good with that. Now they're both the same colors, just some has more of one color than the other color, and that's why they look different. I'll show you them beside each other. Wipe the bottom off. this out of the way. There, look at that. I'll hold it up for you. This is my messy area. There. They look pretty. Which one do you like the best? I like them both. All right, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Hit the bell for notifications. You'll be notified when I do a new video. And come back to Carol's Art Room. I'll put the dried result at the end of the video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye. Hi, everybody. Here's my tiles that are 95% dry. A little bit wet right there, but they're drying really good. Yeah, I really think they're great. I love them. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everybody. Hi, everybody. Here's my tiles that are 95% dry. A little bit wet right there, but they're drying really good. Yeah, I really think they're great. I love them. Thanks for watching, and have a good day, everybody.